Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert PowerPoint to PDF, PPT to PDF. How to do that? Let me show you. Yes, from my laptop I just opened PowerPoint presentation. So this is my presentation over here. So I just want to make this one as a PDF. There is a three option to make this presentation as a PDF. What I have to do here? So from your home button you will have create and share PDF Adobe. So you just hit the button create and share PDF, automatically it will move into PDF files. So you can choose the area and you can click save a file. Entire PDF will be saved. So presentation will be saved into PDF. As you see here in your downside, there will be a publishing. So automatically this will convert into PDF. So for example, you are creating entire slides, so you want to make as a PDF in a single click, means you can use directly to this create and share option to make a PDF. As you see here, so it is converting document information. So this is a PDF viewer, so you can able to view entire PDF. So you can't edit because this is a PDF, so you can able to see and you can able to identify and you can able to send the informations. Yes, so this is the first way. The second way, just go to file menu and just go to save as PDF. So once you click a save as PDF, automatically it will move into PDF file. You can give the name and you can save your files. So this is the second step. The third step is most important. For example, I want particularly slide number 3, 4, 5 should be in a PDF, and I want only this slide, or I would just want to convert only particular slides. So I want to convert this kind of things. I want to convert a custom PDF. What I have to do here? So just go to file menu and save as. Once you click a save as option, it will ask you which direction you want to save. I just want to browse from my computer to save the file. So I just click here browse. Yes, so now I can give a file name over here, so that is, you can give test or anything else. Here there will be a save as type. Just choose as a PDF. Once you click as a PDF, there will be a options will be available. Just hit the options and you can share the information with all kind of details. For example, the range, all slides you want to save, means as a PDF you can select this. Current slide means whatever slides options are there, you can give it. Selections means you can select and have access. So you can use a selection slides and slides from 1 to 17 or 3 to 6, as I said earlier. So you can choose the range of the slides, so you can have access. And publish options will be there. Publish what the slides or handouts or note pages and outline. You can choose as a PDF which is you want. For example, your clients need handouts or notes page, you can choose. And slides per page, it's 6 pages. You want to make a single page as a PDF, means you can make as a handouts. For example, single PDF, that is single page, has 6 slides. I'll show you how to do this. Want horizontal or vertical, you can give. Just click OK here. So today date is given. First slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide, fifth and sixth will be the single page. Notes pages, only the note pages will become an outline views. So if you want to include the link, include the comment, including hidden files or slides and frame, you can choose the option whatever you want. So include non-printing information, document properties, everything you want, means you can have. For example, dates were given there in the PDF, you want, means you can include this into PDF, and PDF a complete or bitmap, whatever embodied you want, you can have access. So similarly, you can give this access and you can make as a PDF, and you can make a peaceful creativity and slides you can share with your clients as well as your students. So this is a beautiful option. In a single PDF, in a single page, you can have 6 slides and you can have access. So if you like these tips, you can share with your friends and you can convert your PPT to PDF and you can share anyone else. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.